Assalamualaikum and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the 10 most unique to pronounce words in the English language. आज की वीडियो में हम अंग्रेजी के 10 मुनफरद अल्फाज बोलना सीखेंगे. So let's get started. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also don't forget to hit the bell icon below for more informative videos. First word is deteriorate. Second word is defibrillator. Third word is comfortable. Fourth word is cavalry. Fifth word is brewery. Sixth word is asterisk. Seventh word is anti-disestablishmentarianism. Eighth word is Antarctic. Ninth word is anemone. 10th word is anathema. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Just stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.